Everyone, it's time for the big event this year. Let's go to Toronto!
Welcome to Toronto!
First time I saw you, I knew right away. Made up my mind you would be mine someday. You know I need you, so don't turn away. 'Cause at the end of the day, I'll be alright. Still I'm praying that you change your mind. I'll be okay. 'Cause you'll come around eventually. Hey, hey, hey. When I love someone, I'm loving all the way. Hey, hey, hey. You know I'm the one to take you all the way. I know you're hoping you can just let it go. 'Cause I just won't stay without you walking out. Don't be afraid. As long as you go. Still I'm praying that you change your mind. Cause you'll come around eventually. Hey, hey, hey. When I love someone, I'm loving all the way. Hey, hey, hey. You know I'm the one to take you all the way.
Toronto Success Academy 2023 is the most powerful, amazing, great event that I ever did here in Canada. And I can tell you 100%, if this is how powerful here in Canada for Toronto Success Academy 2023, I'm guaranteed you next year, don't miss it, because this is a double portion of this powerful and success education that we're gonna get it. Aja, aja, aja. Thank you so much.
Oh, I really had a great time. Thank you for Atomy Canada for providing us Success Academy. This is amazing. Food are amazing. We get a chance to meet all our partners from different parts of the city and listening to all inspiring stories of all new leaders. I feel great attending the Success Academy and I encourage everyone to keep attending. That's all. Thank you, everyone.
그리고 오늘 3년도 넘게 정말 오랜만에 석세스 세미나를 했는데요. 늦게까지 거의 다 자리를 지켜주시고 너무너무 오늘 좋았어요. 정말 우리 리더님들 또 처음 오신 분들이 애터미가 이런 거구나 오늘 굉장히 많이 배웠다고 하시고요. 정말 이런 석세스 세미나를 자주 했으면 좋겠어요. 너무 우리 저 스태프들 너무 수고하시고 우리 직원님들 막 밤을 이틀씩이나 새시고 정말 토론토에 이 캐나다에 애터미의 깃발이 완전히 뒤덮을 날이 멀지 않았습니다. 오늘 오랜만에 이 석세스 세미나하고 제가 너무 기쁘고 감동적인 시간이었습니다. 수고 많으셨어요.